Hello everyone, welcome to all. Today we will know associated terms related to light chapter, that is light reflection and refraction from class 10th NCERT. This will be helpful to make the ray diagram of given mirror and lens. So before starting that how to make the ray diagram for mirror and lens, we should know the associated terms related to it. We know that in this chapter there are two terms basically, that is reflection and refractions. This reflection terms and refraction terms we are learning from class 7th, but in this chapter basically we will know about the ray diagram and related numericals. So reflection we know. So for reflection mirrors are required, and for the refraction lens are required. So first we will talk about the mirror. What is the mirror? So mirror is basically of two types, plane mirror or spherical mirror. Plane mirror are that type of mirror which are generally used in our home. So image formed in our plane mirror is virtual and erect, and the size of image is equal to that of object. Basically, we have to talk about that spherical mirror. So, spherical mirror is just a sphere. One sphere is there. So, we will divide one sphere into two parts, that will be divided into concave and convex. This is a sphere, and if you will divide this sphere into two parts, this will look just like this and like this. Okay. So, this will look like this, but one side should be polished in the mirror. So in this concave mirror, the polished parts would be outside parts. This will be a polished parts. And in convex mirror, the parts which are polished, this is inside part. And the reflected part in this concave mirrors are inside. This is reflected parts in concave mirror. Or in convex mirror, the reflecting parts is outward part. This is convex mirror, which will reflect light, and we will able to see the image of the object. Okay, suppose by taking our example of our hand, see, this is a sphere. If we will divide this sphere, so this is the polished part in the concave mirror, and this is reflecting part. Concave, cave means the like gufa. So in this is reflecting part in concave, and in convex these are reflecting parts and these are polished part. Okay, this is a concave mirror we have taken. So in this concave mirror some terms are related which will help to make the ray diagram. The terms are pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis, focus, focal length. Pole. What is pole? So pole is uh, pole are represented by P. First, the center of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror uh, is a point called the pole. See, this is the part of the mirror. In this center parts, the center part of the reflecting part of the mirror, that is pole. एक मिरर में जो उसका सेंटर होता है, उसके रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट का जो सेंटर है वो पोल कहलाएगा, और इसी पोल से हम लोग सारे टर्म्स को रिलेट करेंगे. सो पोल इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन दिस पार्ट. So this pole we will represent by P. Next, the center of curvature. As in circle, there are center for the circle. By this center we make the circle. So this is the center of the circle, middle part of the circle, middle point of the circle. So this middle point of the circle, like this in the mirror also, this middle parts we have to imagine this middle part, and this middle part is called center of curvature. Here the name are added with center of curvature because this is the part of curvature. So this is center of curvature. Okay. Then in circle, radius are present. Radius. So this is the radius for the circle or for the sphere. So in this mirror also, this is the radius. This is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. This is radius of curvature means radius of the part. Then one more thing, that is principal axis. What is principal axis? So principal axis is a imaginary line. Principal axis is a imaginary line passing through pole and center of curvature. What is principal axis? Principal axis is a imaginary line passing through center of curvature and pole. Okay. Then next one is focus. What is focus? So this focus are the where image are formed. This we generally call in the circle or in the any sphere, the meeting point of the reflected ray. There are two ray, incident ray and reflected ray. So incident ray will pass and that will form the reflection, and that reflected ray where the reflected ray will meet, and that point we call as a focus. The meeting point of the reflected ray we call as a focus. So that focus is generally, these focus are the middle parts between center of curvature and principal. Okay. So for this we should use the scale. See, from center of curvature to pole, it is 5. Okay, it is 5 centimeter. So that focus would be half of this. So 5 half, that is, this is 5, no? Yeah, 5. So half of the 5 is 2.5. So this will the point. So this is focus. Focus we represent by F. Focus, capital F. So what is focus? Focus is the middle point of center of curvature and pole. And this is also the meeting point of the reflected ray where the image are formed. Then one more thing here, that is focal length. What is focal length? So focal length are the distance between this pole and the focus. Distance between pole and the focus, that we call as a focal length. So if small f, we will represent this. So what is focal length? That is the distance between focus and pole, that is focal length. Okay. Then we can derive one equation from this associated terms, like r, that is radius of curvature. R, radius of curvature. This is radius of curvature. This radius of curvature is, this is F. दिस इज द मिडिल पॉइंट. ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर और पोल के बीच का मिडिल पॉइंट है, कैपिटल एफ, जिसे हम लोग फोकस कहते हैं, और ये फोकल लेंथ इसके और इसके बीच का मिडिल पॉइंट है. तो बेसिकली क्या हुआ, आर जो हुआ वो इस एफ का, अगर ये एफ यहाँ है, ये एफ यहाँ होगा, क्योंकि ये मिड पॉइंट है, तो ये एफ यहाँ, दोनों का डिस्टेंस जो होगा इसके बराबर होगा. तो आर इज इक्वल टू 2 एफ. So F is equal to R by 2. So this is the relation between focal length and radius of curvature. Okay, these all are important terms related to the light chapter. One more thing you should know, the center of curvature in the concave mirror we represent in front of the reflected ray. in front of it will be represented. But in the convex mirror, if we will talk, this is the convex mirror. This inner side is the shaded side, means the polished side, and outer side are the reflected side. These outer sides are the reflected side, this side is are reflected. This is mirror. In this is mirror. Okay, in this is mirror. This is reflected side. So in this principle, that pole would be like same pole, but the center of curvature will show here in that polished side. This is the center of curvature. If center of curvature is here, then focus will be here. Then this is the radius of curvature, and this is the focal length. Okay, this is the general parts which is related to the light chapter. In next video, we will talk about that ray which is related to the mirror. That's all for today. Thank you. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.